Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the section Accounts and Backup. Here we've got this Google Drive section, so let's tap on Backup Data and tap on Next. Here, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list here. If not, you have to add it. So just tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here let's choose the account which we've just added, and in this section we can decide what kind of data we would like to backup, so photos and videos or other device data or both. You can mark both if you wish. I'll choose only this one and tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. Right here we can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings. You can simply turn it on and off, but I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.